Hey guys, so this is Xiaomi 13 Ultra and it is Xiaomi's 3rd Gen Ultra Flagship which carries highest end specifications and will compete against top dogs like Apple and Samsung. So I use the best of best from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 11 Ultra dual display phone, Xiaomi Mix 4, Xiaomi 12s Ultra and almost all the high-end flagships, but this one, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, is I can say the highest jump in terms of design and specifications, coming with 8 Gen 2 powerful silicon, 10x hardware, 120x digital zoom and the brightest display in a phone. So the Xiaomi 13 Ultra packs a 6.73-inch high-res display and it is a C7 curved panel made by Huawei with the highest peak brightness up to 2600 nits. So yeah, it is brighter than Samsung's Ultra Flagship, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max and even the Oppo Find X6 Pro when watching HDR content. Sad part is still got a center hole punch selfie shoot unlike the Xiaomi Mix 4. There's huge top and bottom chain and it runs MIUI 14 out of the box. The back is where real magic begins because Xiaomi have done some noticeable changes in comparison to last year's Xiaomi 12s Ultra. So last year it was all leather with a rectangular bump and camera module, but this time we have metal body, a rectangular slab with a layer of 2nd gen leather on top making it look clean, and then there's sitting a thick camera module containing 4 cameras. The Sony IMX989 1-inch with Leica lens and variable aperture can shoot fantastic images in daylight and night condition, and here are some samples shared by Xiaomi. They look great. The rest of them are Sony IMX858, the telephoto and periscope can do 3x, 5x and even 10x hardware and 120x digital zoom which works great. For those who love photography, can also grab Xiaomi's modular camera gear like grip, width, shutter and filter lens specially designed for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is powered with Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 which is very powerful and power efficient. This with Surge P2 and Surge G1 chip, 5000 mAh battery can go a day or two in a single charge. Here not to mention we have 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. In comparison, Samsung is offering 45 watts wired and Apple is checking with 25 watts wired. It's IP68, this IR blaster, fast UFS and RAM, USB 3.2 and this all at just 5,999 yuan. So no shocker, an awesome flagship, comes in exciting color finishes, best in class specifications, top notch display, fast charging and Leica powered cameras. These speed tests and battery tests are coming soon on my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.